In volume manufacturing, a single bad weld can mean costly recalls, production delays, and safety risks. But how do you know if your welds are right in real time? Meet the Hi5 Welding Quality Monitor, where instant insights improve process control. Measure, monitor, and analyze 5 highly critical weld signals in real time from the intelligent touchscreen Hi5. Current is first. Hi5 captures real-time current flow through the workpieces. Voltage is next. Hi5 monitors voltage to ensure proper energy delivery. Resistance is third. Hi5 calculates resistance at the weld interface to detect changes during the weld process. Then, we have force. Hi5 measures applied electrode force to confirm stable contact with the workpieces. And finally, displacement. Hi5 tracks electrode follow-through for consistent set-down. And weld time is clearly indicated. Now, every weld is measured and can be validated down to the millisecond. How does the intelligent Hi5 validate your work? First step, record measurement data from a series of good production welds. Then, remove data from any poor welds. Finally, instruct the Hi5 to use these measurements to create an ideal weld envelope. Now the Hi5 will instantly alert when a weld fails to meet your production standards, and it will pinpoint the fault. And you can access weld and alarm data through serial, Ethernet, and wireless connections. The Hi5 delivers where precision matters. Get the insights you need, weld after weld. Contact us today at entroncontrols.com.